What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy, a geek. So the story is that Cloudgate game development studio is going to invest around 6 million US dollar in Pakistan. Yeah, Cloudgate is like a San Francisco based game development studio. Their most popular game is like Shop Hero. So they are going to invest 6 million US dollar in Pakistan to outsource. I mean, for the game development project. In short, they are going to outsource to Pakistan. So there is a lot of good talent in Pakistan for the game development. Literally for the game development. I think it's a good news. I think so. We are going to see the rise of game development in Pakistan. Thumbs up! I like it. So yeah, it was me, Jimmy Agik. Make sure to check out the links in the description box below. Subscribe and bye.